Isang big shot sa larangan ng batas ang French lawyer na si Attorney Dov Jacobs. Kaya naman pinili ni Attorney Nicholas Guzman ang legal counsel ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa International Criminal Court na kunin siya bilang associate counsel. Si Anton Cero magbabalita mula sa The Hague, Netherlands.
Kinumpirma ni Atty. Kaufman ang pagkatalaga ni Atty. Jacobs sa kanyang kupunan upang tumulong sa defense team ng dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na anya isang kilalang eksperto at may malalim na kaalaman sa mga usaping may kinalaman sa jurisdiksyon ng International Criminal Court. Opisyal ng bahagi ng legal defense team ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa International Criminal Court ang batikang French lawyer na si Atty. Dov Jacobs matapos siyang italaga bilang associate counsel para sa kasong crimes against humanity na kinakaharap ng dating lider. Batay sa dokumentong inilabas ng ICC, hiniling ni Atty. Nicholas Kaufman, lead counsel ni Duterte noong April 2, 2025 na mapasama si Jacobs sa legal defense team bilang associate counsel. Kinumpirma ng registry ang appointment ni Jacobs noong April 3. Inilahad ni Kaufman kung bakit niya piniling kunin si Jacobs bilang associate counsel.
He will be assisting me on one very discrete issue. He's an international humanitarian lawyer and academic, very well known. He's a member of Leiden University. He lectures there. People in The Hague know him very well. And he's also a proponent of one of the issues which is, how can I put it, central to this case. And if you've been following the debate, the academic debate which has surrounded the jurisdictional issues, you will realize why he is now in our team.
Dagdag pa ni Kaufman, isang big shot si Jacobs sa larangan ng batas.
As far as I'm concerned, he's an extremely big shot. But then that's just my view, okay? I wouldn't have hired him if I felt he wasn't a big shot. I only hire big shots.
Dagdag pa ng abogado, ipaglalaban niya si Duterte hanggang sa huli.
Until the end, until he is walking out of that prison here.
Samantala, sinagot naman ni Kaufman ang pahayag ni Jose Clear Castro ng Presidential Communication Office na magiging mahirap ang pagtatanggol kay dating Pangulong Duterte. Gayunpaman, sinabi ni Kaufman na mananaig pa rin ang prinsipyo ng presumption of innocence sa kaso ng dating Pangulo.
Well, first of all, I'm glad that the palace has acknowledged the basic presumption of innocence because the former president is innocent until proven guilty.
Patungkol naman sa umano'y harassment sa mga pamilya ng umano'y biktima ng extrajudicial killings, marin itong itinanggi ni Kaufman. Sabi niya, wala itong koneksyon sa kanilang kampo.
Regarding whatever might have been said about harassment of witnesses, that is certainly not coming from our court. I can stress that time and time again. We have gone on the record and we have asked people to respect the judicial process. There is no harassment coming from our quarters whatsoever.
Mula dito sa The Hague, Netherlands, ito si Anton Cero, ang inyong Global Citizen Correspondent, SMNI News.